What's up, guys? Welcome back to DMZ TV. It's your host, DeMarco. Today, once again, I got my co-host with me, my boy, the one and only
Two-Tone Rocker, DJ Rocker, whichever one you want to call me. And anyway, in other words, today's show is Hookah 101, the perfect beginner's hookah.
Yes. Today, we're basically going to explain to you guys what we recommend as the perfect starter hookah for you guys. Today, me and Rocker have two Zara Hookahs. The spade design. This is the 2.0.
This is the OG, the 1.0.
OG 1.0 it is. The main improvements on these is that this one actually comes with a stainless steel diffuser.
And this one here does not.
Sure doesn't.
Also, another feature that this has that this doesn't. The paint job. This is an ionized finish paint job. This one, as you can see, it's not. The thing about the ionized paint job is that this one here is less likely to get scratches. Whereas this one has more of a chance to get the scratches.
Interesting. Now this one, the 2.0 comes with a new chamber design with improved valves, which is a plus.
With the 2.0, we have new colors.
Now what I like about Zara is that they kept the design on the tray. They have the ridges, the indented ridges still, so when you put your coals on top, they're not gonna go black as quick.
You can find all Zahrah Hookahs at ZahrahUSA.com.
And what's cool, guys, about Zara is that these hookahs are at a reasonable price. If you want a cheaper hookah, they sell junior sizes too, which is also a plus. Now, with the packaging, when you take an order of a Zara hookah, you have the choice of taking just the stem with you. But what's also cool about Zara hookahs is that
you can allow your hookah to meet your style by getting different colors of the different bases that you can buy. So, DeMarco.
Yes, sir.
Explain to me why you would recommend these hookahs, these Zara hookahs.
Zara hookahs for beginner smokers?
Yes.
Basically, based on my own personal experience, as a first-time smoker back some years ago, the most common hookah would be the Khalil Mamoon.
Oh.
If I knew what I know now about hookahs, I would have went with a Zara a long time ago.
Hands down?
Hands down.
Okay.
Hands down. Zara, first hookah ever. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to smoke. Are you ready to smoke?
Of course.
It's time to go.
Let's get it.
Hey guys, we're back.
Yes, we
Hookahs are ready. Bowls packed, coals on top.
Yeah.
You ready to smoke? Cause I am.
Of course.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Exactly. That's a diffuser at the bottom of that stem.
Okay.
Most people prefer the bubbling sound. I don't have a preference. If you want to be quiet during a movie,
right,
throw the diffuser at the bottom of the 2.0.
Okay.
You're good to go.
So you can take it to the public library.
You sure can take it to the public library. Yes, sir. Oh, let's do the purge thing real quick.
That's dope. That's dope.
It's nifty. I like it. I like it a lot.
Now with the spade design, you can utilize up to 3 hoses. Yes, 3 hoses at a time.
Yes, sir. So if you got any friends coming over, want to smoke, everyone has a hose, everyone's happy. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, guys, on a serious note, when you purchase a hookah, most hookahs,
right,
comes with a vase, comes with a stem,
right.
You obviously have your hose, your cold tray, don't forget your grommet, and the bowl that goes on top, baby.
Bam.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, if you want to customize your hookah and make it personal to you, what you can customize is your base, your hose, and of course your bowl.
That's right. Now, if you guys have any questions about hookahs, you can leave a question in the comments below. Feel free to. We'll get back to you guys. No problem.
Hold up. Ain't we gonna be making more of these videos? Hookah 101 videos?
That's right, baby.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now, guys, this video is brought to you guys by Zahrah USA themselves. Big shout out to those guys. Thank you so much.
Big shout out.
We want to thank them for sending us the Spade 2.0. We've been smoking this for a while now.
Like a month or so now.
We love it. It's smooth. Definitely recommend this product.
Hell yeah.
If you guys want any Zara products, you know where to go.
ZahrahUSA.com.
That's right, baby. Now, don't forget, guys, smash that like button.
Subscribe.
Don't forget that little bell at the top to get all our latest updates.
Bling, 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 bling.
Now, guys, once again, you know, it's DMZ TV, baby.
Yeah.
I'm DeMarco.
And this is Rocker.
And we are
out. With the 2.0, we have More colors, new colors. Fuck, shit.
Hey, bro, that hookah's kind of funny. It kind of suits you, bro.
Yeah.
It's like Rasta colors, right?
Head ass.
Wagwan, my yo, it's Yairi.